As a bookkeeper or accountant, you do a lot of recurring work, like biweekly payroll and monthly bookkeeping. In financial sense, you can set that recurring work to automatically recreate itself on certain schedules. So no future work is ever missed or falls through the cracks. In this video, I will cover how to create a recurring project, how it recurs, and what recurs with it. You start out by creating a recurring project like any other project. Hit the Create Project button in the top. You can create one from scratch or template. Let's use a template for this example. And we will go with monthly bookkeeping, since that's a popular project. So once you select it, it will take you to the project details screen. This is where you select the details when creating a project. So you can set the due date of the project, which is required with recurring projects. You can assign it for a client. Really, what client is this work for? So this work is for Bob's Boots, and assign it to someone on your team. I assigned it to myself for this example. So below here is the recurring section. This is where you select the recurrence or when you want it to recur. So you can have it recur daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Since this is monthly bookkeeping, let's have it recur monthly. Now, when I create this project, it will recur after the due date. So the due date is March 30th. So on March 31st, it will create a clone of this project due April 30th. So there will be two projects, one on March 30th and April 30th. So hit done. So now you have the monthly bookkeeping project with all the templated tasks because we used to template, the attachments, and subtasks. So when this project recurs on March 31st, after the deadline of this project, it will recreate a whole new clone of this project with all the same tasks, attachments, subtasks, and whoever's been assigned specific tasks or the project, just like you see here. So it's important to know, even if you haven't finished this project, like let's say it's only halfway done, but March 31st hits after this due date, it will still recreate a whole nother project. So you will have two projects. So you don't have to complete it for the project to actually recur. Also, any changes you make to this project, let's say you delete a task or you add a task or whatever that may be, it will recur with the project. So any changes you make will follow. But that is recurring projects.